On today's news, Coinbase suffered brief outage as Bitcoin tumbled 10% in 30 minutes. On our next news, top experts make Bitcoin price prediction as Bitcoin halving is approaching. Sentiment seems to be leaning to a big upside for Bitcoin following the looming block reward halving. Also in today's news, Ethereum is at risk of a larger decline to $175. Also in today's news, top crypto chain to go into price orbit, $4 price region hold. We'll also be looking at the top cryptocurrency to watch this week: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XTZ, ADA, and NEO. Several major cryptocurrencies have seen strong buying lower levels, suggesting that the uptrend is likely to resume once Bitcoin finds support. Also, if you're interested in working from home, discover how to earn Ethereum daily. Fuel money directly to your Ethereum wallet with this simple and lucrative Ethereum smart contract system. The link will be below. We'll also be looking at the current price of the cryptos. Welcome to Crypto Top 5 Alert and Update. Your boy Ismail here. On our first story, Coinbase experienced a brief outage Saturday as the price of Bitcoin crashed 10% in 30 minutes. According to Coinbase status page, the exchange website mobile app API website experienced a partial outage, 17:26 Pacific time. 10 minutes later, the San Francisco-based company said it was still investigating. The prominent Twitter account has also noted Coinbase outage as the price of Bitcoin tumbled from $9,500 to $8,100. By 1814, on the West Coast, service has been restored for the San Francisco company. Consumers and professional trading reaching Saturday evening. A spokesperson for Coinbase declined to comment beyond what was on the status page, which said the exchange was monitoring the situation. Other U.S. exchanges, including Kraken, reported all systems as operational during the weekend price crash. Coinbase experienced a similar outage last week when Bitcoin rallied 15% to $8,900. At the time of publishing, Coinbase volume was excessively high relative to other peak in trading volume during the past 2 weeks, according to the data provided by Skew. This is the data provided by Skew. Cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase tend to suffer temporary outage during a period of acute price volatility. The weekend sell-off comes just before the Bitcoin next halving, a hotly anticipated once in a 4-year event, which implications for the cryptocurrency price are subject of debate in crypto trading price. On our next story, hype is steadily building across the wider cryptocurrency community as the looming Bitcoin mining reward halving draw closer. As the world grapple with the heavy economy downturn by the ongoing global coronavirus pandemic, the value of Bitcoin has been at odds with the conventional stock market. A driving force behind this trend is the halving, which is expected to take place on May 12th. The halving is an event anticipated as Bitcoin reward for validating one block will be reduced by half. This is a core deflation function designed by Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto. Since the permanent cryptocurrency anticipation in 2009, there has been 2 halving events. The reward halving occurred after every 210,000 blocks are mined, which take around 4 years to happen. Both previous halving have spiked considerable price rallies, the first of which brought the Bitcoin price from $11 to $1,000 in 2012 within a year. In the year that preceded the second halving, the price of Bitcoin increased steadily. The price movement of Bitcoin has been under microscope of industry expert traders and enthusiasts, and likely there are raging predictions around the possible movement over the next few weeks and months. American investor Antonio has been addressing the upcoming halving in a number of recent letters to subscribers. The one from April 29 provided a bullish stance toward the halving and potential growth in Bitcoin value after the event. The halving will see a programmatic decrease in the upcoming daily supply of Bitcoin from 1,800 per day to only 900 Bitcoin per day. That supply shock has historically led to a material price increase over the following 18 to 24 months. A major consideration for Palmlia is the fiscal stimulus being pumped into the American government by the Federal Reserve, categorizing Bitcoin as an inflation edge asset. The American investors seem confident as the event would be a bullish one for Bitcoin. Quote, "I believe that Bitcoin having been executed at the same time that the Federal Reserve and the other central bank around the world is injecting trillions into the financial system will serve as a rocket fuel for Bitcoin. Pantera Capital founder and CEO Dan Moorhead provided an equally bullish prediction. In a letter to recent investors at the end of April that included a lofty price target in the 12 months after the upcoming halving, if history were to repeat itself, Bitcoin would peak in August 2021 at $533,431. He added, just saying that there's more than a 50-50 chance Bitcoin goes up and goes up big. Cryptocurrency investment analysts from CoinShare also offer a number of outlook on the halving. In the most recent report, authored by head of research Christopher Bendixen, I'm not gonna act like I know the person's name, that's the first time I ever heard of his name. The report put forward the 5 different scenarios that could take the during and after the Bitcoin reward halving and provide a gauge on the likelihood of each scenario. A Bitcoin mining chain death spiral is extremely unlikely to occur. According to report, while the chance of no real effect on Bitcoin value also seem improbable, Bendikin suggests that the two of the more negative scenario are likely. Firstly, traders may be inclined to buy and sell on the hype and sentiment of the halving event. Secondly, miners may be pressured into selling Bitcoin holding, which will drive the price of the cryptocurrency down. The report offers a prediction of its own that suggests a positive impact on supply. Since smaller mining operations may not be able to upgrade their equipment to the latest hardware, this could reduce the selling pressure on miners in order to cover costs due to the reduction of supply from the halving, as well as the potential loss of the miner due to profitability concerns. On the next scoop, Ethereum is down more than 10%, and it broke the key 200 support against the US dollar. Bitcoin decline is increasing pressure on Ethereum, and it could decline further to $175. Ethereum turned red. The past week, Ethereum made a couple of attempts to gain bullish momentum above the $210 resistance area against the US dollar, but it failed. Ethereum price from a local top near the $215 level and started a strong decline. The recent decline in Bitcoin below $9,000 support sparked heavy bearish move in Ethereum. It broke the main $202 and $200 support level to move into a bearish zone. More importantly, there was a break below a key bullish trend line with support near $5 on the 4-hour chart of Ethereum to US dollar. The pair even settled below the $192 support and the 100 simple moving over average 4 hours. It is now trading below 50% fib retracement level of the upward move from the 146 swing to a low 227 swing high. The current price action suggests that Ethereum might continue to move down below the 180 level. The first key support is seen near the 175 level. It represents the previous breakout zone and coincide with the 61% fib retracement level of the upward move from the $146 swing to the 227 swing high. Any further losses may perhaps open doors for a larger decline toward the 165 and 162 support level in the near term. If Ethereum start an upside correction in an immediate resistance in near of 192 level, the first major resistance for buyers is seen near the $200 zone, the recent breakdown zone. The 100 simple moving average for 4 hours is also near the $200 level to act as a crucial hurdle. A successful close above $200 level and 100 SMA is needed to start the fresh uptrend, technical indicator. On our next update, like Bitcoin and other crypto assets, Chainlink has been a remarkably rally since the low. The leading cryptocurrency this week hit a high of $4.20, up 170% from the low of March 12. Link has only held above $4 for a short period of time, but Predman analysts suggest that this should be a region hold as support. Chainlink could go into the price discovery orbit. According to a permanent crypto trader, he thinks that Chainlink can build some semblance of structure above $3.84. The cryptocurrency could soon go into the price discovery orbit, While he didn't expand on this point, his chart indicates that over the past few months, the level of $3.84 has been extremely important, acting as support resistant on multiple occasions. Strong fundamental could support the crypto system. The fundamental of crypto could support the holding of the current price level. Chainlink was just added to Gemini, the New York-based crypto exchange run by the Wolkovacs twins. Some of the most prominent Bitcoin bull, the list which also see 5 other digital assets now supported by the platform, comes shortly after Gemini CEOs. I really appreciate the passion of the Link Marines. Their fervor and dedication remind me of the early Bitcoin and Ethereum communities. Unlike many other crypto armies, they are dedicated to a project that has real promise and technical merits. The reason Chainlink is the 12th largest crypto asset in the project has seen amount of support within the DeFi community. The discussion of the link being added to MakerGuard in that Rune, founder of Maker Christensen, founder of MakerDo, even assets that are correlate with Ethereum like Link would help to source more DAI generation and help restoring the PEG and the DSR. While this could play out, Bitcoin is the focus of the crypto market at the moment. Sharing the chart below, the lead to technical analysis and crypto research firm BlackFi remarked that as Bitcoin slowed down, altcoins are really going to struggle, adding to its absolutely brutal outlook for the segment of the mark. He added that there is max pain ahead in his opinion. As you can see, Bitcoin is down 12% and is trading at $8,527. Ethereum is trading at $185. XRP is trading at 19 cents. Litecoin is trading at $41. XTZ is trading at $2. EOS is trading at $2 also. Binance was $17. Binance is trading at $14. Bitcoin Silver is trading at $178. And Bitcoin Cash is trading at $230. And you know we saved the best for last. Bitcoin rallied above $10,000 on May 7, and just when everyone was getting ready for the long-anticipated halving surge, the top-ranked cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap plunged over 10% to hit a low of $8,130. However, the short fall in the price did not attract further selling, which suggests that traders are not panicking and dumping their position. This indicates that the sentiment is to continue buying on the dip. When Bitcoin plummeted, it dragged most cryptocurrency along with it. But it's also important to remember that the several major cryptocurrencies have been in an uptrend for the past 2 weeks. Correction, in an uptrend offer buying opportunities to the traders who have missed this bust earlier. With the Bitcoin having less than 2 days away, volatility is likely to remain high. Therefore, in the next few days, traders might consider reducing their position size to keep their risk under control. Let's see which 5 major cryptocurrencies offer attractive trading opportunities in the short term. Bitcoin broke above $9,200 on May 7 and hit a high of $10,058 on the same day. However, the 10,000 level proved to be a tough hurdle to cross. Next one is Ethereum. Although Ethereum broke above the resistance line of the outstanding channel on April 29 and 30th, the bulls failed to sustain the high level. The result in a correction which found support at the 20-day simple movement, $204 on May 7th. However, today the second ranked coin market cap turned down sharply and plunged below the both moving average into support line in the ascending level. Next one is XRP. Tezos has been trading inside an ascending level, which showed that the trend is up. However, the bear has been aggressively defending the $3 level for the past few days. Although the bulls broke above this level on April 29 and 30, it cannot build up on the breakout. Cardano ADA has been facing stiff resistance at the overhead resistance at 5 cents per coin. While the bull have been buying the dips for the support of at 4 cents, this tight range trading suggests a balance between buyers and sellers. NEO has been trading inside the ascending level channel for the past few weeks. Though the bulls broke above resistance line of the channel on May 8, they could not sustain the breakout. That is all for today, crypto news and update. This has been your boy Ismail. See you again tomorrow.